By now, you know that the double equal operator and the triple equal operator are not the same. Let's see what are the rules that they are following in order to return true or false. Let's start off with the triple equal operator. If you have x with y with the triple equal operator, JavaScript will first check, do they have the same type? If they don't, the comparison will return false. Like, is 5 the number equal to the 5 the string? The types are not the same, so it will return false. Now what if they have the same type? 5 is equal to 5. JavaScript then checks if they are primitives or not. If yes, in our case 5 is a primitive, so it will perform a bitwise comparison. Do they have the same value? In our example, 5 and 5 are the same value, so it will return true. Let's try 5 triple equal 6. First, JavaScript engine will see, do they have the same type? The answer is yes, both are numbers. Then it will ask, are they primitives? The answer is yes. So now it compares the values. 5 and 6 are not the same values, so it returns false. Now what if we are comparing values that are not primitives? For instance, two objects. Let's compare object 1 with object 2. Here they are not having the same address in memory. If we change the first object, the second one does not change. So this was to show you that they are not having the same address in memory. So let's start off the comparison with the JavaScript engine. Do they have the same type? The answer is yes, both are objects. Now it will ask, are they primitives? The answer is no. So it will do an address comparison. These two do not have the same address, so it returns false. But if they had the same address, it returns true. So this is the path for triple equal operator. You can see it is simple. Now let's move to the double equal operator. Let's try to compare 5 and 5. First, JavaScript checks if these two have the same type. In our example, they have the same type. So the triple equal operator algorithm will be executed and it will return true. Now if they don't have the same type, for example something like this, now it will see if both are undefined or null. If that's the case, it will return true. Now if both are not null or undefined, it will move to the next rule. Do we have a string that is compared against a number? If yes, convert that string to a number. It will convert the string to a number, then it will perform the comparison. If we don't have a string compared against a number, we move to the next rule. And so on. That's why with the double equal operator, you may have unexpected results. I recommend that you always use the triple equal operator, unless you know what you're doing.